we do the dry-aging process for 15 to 20 days here. So Tomahawk's really good for sharing, and we have different sizes of Tomahawks here. And it's one of our best sellers.
Yep.
And this is our dry-aged, right? So we do the dry-aging process for 35 days here. So first week we coat with coffee, and after 2 weeks we coat with wagyu fat. So dry-aging process really enhance the flavor of the meat, make the beef more beefy. And this is our eye fillet. So if you don't like fat on your steak, you can order eye fillet because it has really less amount of fat. And this is also one of the popular steak cut, Scotch fillet. It has intermuscular fat inside of it, which make the steak cut more tender and juicy. And this is our sirloin. So sirloin also like Scotch, but it has a little amount of fat on the edge. And this is the last one, our T-bone. So in the middle, the bone is like teeth. So it has 2 steak cuts. So this side is sirloin, and that side is eye fillet. So you can taste 2 steak cuts in one if you order T-bone. And also we have special offer of wagyu sirloin, this one. So wagyu sirloin MB7. So I'm gonna show you the difference. So this is normal sirloin. You can see there is less intramuscular fat, but here is the wagyu. You can see the difference, the margarine.
Yeah, the
So
margarine.
there are a lot of margarine inside of it. So I'm gonna show you together. So this one normal, and this one is wagyu one. So this is more juicy and flavorful than the normal one.
Okay.
That's it. Thank you so
Thank
much.
you. So what do you think, ba? What
Gonna get the tomahawk.
Tomahawk?
You're gonna eat the whole thing? I don't know.
Yeah.
I'll try. You do it.
The birthday girl.
Are you guys can share that everything? You can have some. I don't.
Yeah, that's Miracle, Nanay,
I'll get the smallest
and
one. That they have.
Annie.
I'm gonna get the tomahawk.
And Will, the biggest Tomahawk.
The biggest way. Not the biggest way.
Not the
Not the
biggest
biggest
way.
way. 3
The
kilos.
smallest, right?
That's
2 kilos.
cool, yeah.
So that's 0.96 and this is 0.91.
Okay.
So which one?
91 and this is a kilo. 0.92 What's it?
Medium rare, okay?
Okay, and this is
She doesn't know what to choose, the biggest or the smallest. Come on.
No, I'm not too big. It's way too big. I can't finish that.
I believe in you.
No.
So which one?
I'll get the one in the middle. Middle way.
0.96.
Yeah.
And how do you want it?
Rare.
Rare. And this is a 2-liter lemon lime bitter. Hindi na.
You guys said no. You asked if we for extra. Give extra glasses.
Sirloin, yeah. This is the tomahawk. Oh, it's rare. The salad. T-bone steak.
T-bone steak, yes.
Finally did it.
T-bone steak. Ribs.
My goal is
So
to be
this
over
one.
there. I can do it. I want to try.
Okay, there she is. She's enjoying her tomahawk. Enjoying it. Look at that. I think she can finish it. It's 1 kilo tomahawk. And Miracle is doing well with her T-bone steak. Ani and Nanay for their, what's called?
Ribs.
The ribs. And chicken wings. And with that, the fritters.
Chips.
Chip, potato chips. 1, 2, yeah. There. The tomahawk bone. Look at that. She's enjoying it. Big one.
Yeah.
Really big.
Finish it first.
Good. Very happy birthday girl.
Happy birthday.
And the birthday girl is doing well. Look at that. You have some more, man. There's still half a kilo there. But Miracle is done already with her T-bone. Yeah. Come on, ba? Can do it.
You can do it.
Otherwise, you have to give. I will help you. Believe it. Look at that. She finished a kilo of the tomahawk.
Almost, not yet.
960 grams.
you.
Wow, look at that. Come on, you can finish it.
I can.
There. Happy. And the sister is supporting her too. Supporting, she's eating the T-bone. Oh, she's done too with her T-bone. Get me there. Back to go on video. Now the last bite. Come on, you can do it. Last bite. No, the last bite.
I can't. It's
All in the mouth.
too much.
Come on. You can do it. That's it. Don't be shy. Chew, chew, chew. With the full mouth. Look at that. Nothing's left. Oh, puss.
My sister got an insect for free.
Birthday.
Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Hip hip.
Hooray!
Thank you.
Thank you.